The Supreme Court will hear a case on August 29 regarding Vikas Yadav, Vishal Yadav and Sukhdev Pahalwan in Nitish Katara murder case in 2002. The convicts challenged the decision of Delhi High Court in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court will hear a case on August 29 for granting New Delhi the statehood. The Delhi government had petitioned in the Apex Court. The Supreme Court will hear the matter regarding 10% reservation for economically backward class in Gujarat. Earlier, the Gujarat High Court had rejected the plea of reservation from the Gujarat government. Then the Gujarat government had challenged this matter in the Apex Court. The Supreme Court will hear a PIL on August 27 to issue a writ of mandamus to the respondents to ban websites spreading jokes on Sikhs, projecting them as person of low intellect, stupid and foolish. The Apex Court will hear a PIL filed to issue a writ of mandamus to Union of India to exempt bamboo from the purview of transit pass regulations. The Supreme Court will hear a PIL challenging the ordinance passed by the Union government on NEET, questioning the centre's flip-flop on the issue. The centre had initially accepted that the Apex Court's order and later partially reserved it through the ordinance. The Apex Court will hear a special leave petition filed against the Bombay High Court order in which petitioner had challenged the power project agreement entered in between the Maharashtra State Electricity Board and the Dabhol Power Company. The Apex Court will hear a PIL filed requesting CBI probe against the India offshore bank account holders as revealed in Panama Papers. Supreme Court to hear a PIL on medical college seats. The Supreme Court will hear a PIL concerning establishment of a Medical College Regulation 1999. On the last hearing, the court had asked Union of India to apprise whether as a matter of policy, the seats that have remained vacant should be allowed to remain vacant or they should be allowed to be filled up, and directed the seats to prepare a memorandum about the nature of seats available in present to the petitioner. The Apex Court will hear appeals on August 29 filed by convicts of 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape case. Advocate ML Sharma will be arguing for the appellants. The Apex Court will hear a SLP on August 29 filed against the Bombay High Court order directing Ministry of Environment and Forest to demolish Adarsh building in Mumbai. The Supreme Court will hear a petition on August 29 urging transfer of the investigation of criminal cases related to Vyapam scam and also cases relating to deaths which are allegedly linked with Vyapam scam to the CBI. The Apex Court will hear a petition on August 29 regarding implementation of the Juvenile Justice Act 2000. In the last hearing, the court had directed Counsel for the Union of India to take instruction of the feasibility of urgently providing computers and internet connectivity to the Juvenile Justice Board and Child Welfare Committees. Supreme Court to hear contempt petition against Mallya. The Apex Court will hear a petition filed by a consortium of 17 banks, including the State Bank of India, seeking initiation of contempt of court proceeding against Vijay Mallya for non-disclosure of his assets despite a specific order from the court 3 months ago. The Bombay High Court will hear a PIL on August 29 which raised the issue of illegal hoardings in Mumbai. The court had earlier directed the municipal body BMC to remove illegal hoardings. The top court of Maharashtra will hear a petition on August 29 from the wife of Matka King of Mumbai, Suresh Bhagat. She has been convicted for the role in her husband's murder along with son and 4 others. She had challenged her conviction in the petition. The Bombay High Court will hear petition on August 29 regarding educational rights of blind person in Maharashtra.